Hi guys! This time we are going to Slovenia and close to the border between Slovenia, Austria and Italy. From there we continue to Bled to take a one-night stay in this lovely city. After that we continue our trip to the coast of Croatia. Stay few nights in Pula city and then continue our road trip towards the island called Pag. Now we're heading to airport here in train station, so about 30-minute ride and then we are there. Are getting ready here in Malaga airport, and yeah, we're going to Croatia. We have flight to Zagreb, and then we're gonna stay one night there, and then we're gonna continue to Slovenia and explore the Slovenia for a couple of days. I don't know how many. We have a hotel for a couple of days, but if we have more to explore, maybe we're gonna stay a bit longer. And yeah, from there we're gonna go back to Croatia and explore the Croatia as well. But yeah, about 3-hour flight from here, and yeah, super nice. It's our little summer holiday in September. I've never been in Croatia or in Slovenia, so really hoping that it's gonna be great. Yeah, let's see. Yesterday we came here to Croatia, and we spent our night here in Zagreb, just out of the town, and in Hotel Aristos. And yeah, today just came from breakfast, and it's now a little bit over 9 a.m. and you're waiting to get our rent car. From there we're gonna drive to Slovenia. The drive is gonna be about 3 hours, maybe 2.5, 3 hours. But now just relax for 1.5 hours, and then we need to go to pick up our rent car. Okay, so the car papers here, and we need to get the vignette so we can go to drive Slovenia. 16 euros per 7 days. So now we have all the papers ready all the papers ready for the car to go to Slovenia. So let's continue. Okay, we are here and just came from a restaurant. We had some risotto there, and yeah, just wandering around here, and the place looks incredible. Views are just amazing, and the water is pretty cold, but can you see the behind me? Look at these views, epic, so nice. We are now altitude of I think 800 meters, and I think tomorrow we're gonna go a little hike somewhere here, but I don't know where. There's so many trails in here, but I think what you will choose, I think all of those gonna be great. But yeah, let's see. Super nice here, super nice. Julian, really good, smooth taste.
Und dann die Beleuchtung.
Behind this hill is Austria, and behind this is Italy. So the borders are pretty close in here. Italy and Austria. So the countries are pretty close here in the Julian Alps. We're I think maybe 4 kilometers from Austria border. I think maybe the same to the Italian border as well. It's like a cross T section in here between those countries. We are now at the height of about 1 kilometer here, and there's this Russian chapel in here. But yeah, it's a rainy day, so it's good time to move from this little town to Bled. So it's quite near, maybe 30-40 minute drive. We're gonna stay there one more night in Slovenia side, and then we're gonna move to Croatia. Yeah, it started pouring rain, so we're at the Bled's castle, but yeah, it's like a heavy rain in here, so I think we're not gonna go there. It's supposed to be better weather tomorrow, and it's gonna rain all day, so let's see if we can find somewhere else to go, because now we don't. I have my rain jacket on, but still the camera and everything else would be soaked, so maybe tomorrow we're gonna see the Bled castle a little bit better and the views to the Bled city. going to the near the Bled castle, which is up there, and it's a good trail around here. But yeah, it's really nice. Views are great. Let me show you. And the color of the water, like emerald green. Super nice.